Alright, I'm going to do my best to make a really quick video on how to do a snap test. I've already broken out my samples because you know how to do that. I've already washed my hands. We're going to take the snap test. I'm going to open it up. Personally, I like to stage everything on the warming block right here. So we're going to go put it right there. I don't know that this one's any good. This one has 3 dots. So, it also doesn't have the rest of the equipment in here. So, luckily this is one of the expired ones, so I'm going to throw that one away. Let's try again. Alright, same thing, right here. Only hopefully the right thing. Open it up. You got your, can't remember what that's called right now. I like to just stick it in the heater just to hold it so it's not laying on the floor or on the ground. This is what it should look like with the 2 dots. I go ahead and put that on the incubator. We've got the small test tube. I like to tap it and make sure the little blue dot is, or blue tablet is down at the bottom. And then I place it in there as well. All right, next, you're gonna take your thingy thing. I don't know why I can't think of what it's called right now. Pipette, that's it. You're gonna dip down to the very middle of the sample and you're gonna draw it up to, there is a line right about where I've got that sucked up to. You're gonna put that in here, into the little tube. You're gonna take it out and you're gonna shake it for just a few seconds until the little blue tablet dissolves. Dissolves really quickly, not problematic, it's already done. So we're gonna put it in there, and the next step is we're gonna set a timer for 5 minutes. I'm gonna cut the video here and then bring it back. All right, change of perspective here so you don't have to look at my ugly mug. It's been 5 minutes. You can wait a little longer than 5 minutes, but it says not longer than 6. So from here, you're gonna take your incubated milk and you're gonna dump it into this small chamber here. It's the sample chamber, I think is what it's called. And then what you're gonna do is I take it off of the incubator from here and you're gonna watch it climb. Let me get my pen so I can point a little better. It's gonna climb up through this window and you're gonna see it start coming in here. And when it gets about halfway and the dot, like the bottom half of the dot turns white, you're not waiting on it just to get wet, but you'll see it will start to, so they're starting to get wet. Now you'll see it to start turn white, and when that white gets about halfway up the dot, about right there, you're gonna smash it. Don't be easy with it because it's pretty tough. You're gonna put it back on the incubator and you're gonna wait 4 minutes. I just wanted to come in here in the middle of waiting. You'll see that the window, those 2 dots are gonna get very distorted and then they'll eventually completely go away. You won't actually get any sort of real reading on it until you're almost exactly at the 4 minute mark. So it's gonna stay like this for quite a while, and you can actually see that most of the blue has already gone away. And you'll just sit here and continue to wait. Like I said, you won't actually get a result until you're almost exactly at the 4 minute mark. Here it is, completely white. At this point, we are right at the 3 minute mark, and we've got a little bit of a reading, but it's not reliable, and most of them aren't already this distinct at this point. So I will be back after the minute's up. All right, now we are at the 4 minute mark, so we're done. Take it off and place the sample reservoir to your left, and you're gonna look, and it's not showing up super well on camera here, but essentially you want your sample window here. This lower dot should be darker than the upper dot. The lower dot is your control dot, and the top dot is the test dot. So as long as this one is darker than that one, you're good to go. Oops. Comes out in the trash, move on.